What's up, guys? I'm super excited. I ordered a drone. It wasn't supposed to arrive until tomorrow. I checked the email, it's here now, so hopefully it's there. And I'm gonna unbox it today, and we're gonna take it out for a first impressions and see what it's like. So stay tuned. If you're not already, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's check it out. Yes, it's there. To say I'm excited is a bit of an understatement here. It's my first drone ever. I'm super stoked. Look how small that thing is. It's like the size of my hand. It's incredible. So this is the flight controller, it looks like. I feel like I'm definitely gonna need these. 3 batteries. All right, so we're here at the spot. Nice open area so I don't crash into anything. There's a little hill up there which maybe we can get a good view. I got the drone all set up right here. I think it's about time we take it for its maiden voyage. Here we go. Wish me luck. Hope I don't crash it. I better not crash it. That's why I left the guards on, just in case I crash it. Nice job, Steven. So I didn't destroy it just yet, so that's good. Let's see what she can do. I mean, it's stupid fun. It's a bit limited on the altitude, and I'm wondering if it's because it's a bit windy out here. I'm impressed with how easy it is to fly. Don't feel quite confident enough yet to fly it very far, but that was so much fun. I can't believe it. That was either the quickest 27 minutes of my life, or I was just going really hard on the drone because it didn't last very long as far as the battery was concerned. But if you're buying this, I think you want to buy the version of it which comes with the extra batteries in the carrying case. So I've had the Mav Mini for about a week now, and I'm ready to kind of give my final thoughts on it. It's incredible. It's a super awesome drone, especially if it's your first one. It's super easy to fly. It claims about 30 minutes in the air time, and I found that to be true. It has a few modes that are really useful, like the helix mode where it kind of tracks you as it goes around in a big tornado kind of shape. The rocket mode where you're sitting down and the drone kind of shoots straight up towards the sky. The droney shot, which is a typical shot where you're here and then the camera kind of pulls out and away from you. And the great thing about this drone is that it's 249 grams, which means that you can fly it pretty much everywhere unless it's restricted airspace, where I actually had that experience where I sent the drone up in a restricted airspace because I live pretty close to the airport, and then the drone automatically landed. So if you're in restricted airspace and you have GPS signal, it'll let you know, and you want to make sure to abide by that, because then the drone will auto land, and if you're not in a safe space, there's no way to cancel that. So I bought this for about $4.99 off of Amazon. That includes the drone, the carrying case, 3 extra batteries, the drone controller, extra propellers if you break them off. So I think this is the kit to get. I saw someone take this Mav Mini for a range test, and it sent it out about 3 miles away.
And we crossed 3,500 meters. Oh my god, never have I gotten this far with Mavic Mini.
I'll leave a link right here so you can check out that video if you're curious. So it's a super capable, very professional style drone. Perfect first drone if you're interested in getting one. I'll leave a link down below in the comments to an Amazon affiliate link so you can purchase your own if you're inspired by this video to do so. If you use that link, it's no cost to you, and I'll get a small percentage of that sale to help me reinvest into this channel for you all. Alright everyone, thank you so much for checking out today's episode. If you're not already, make sure that you like and subscribe, and until next time, you take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye now.